Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's market update. Let's start with a quick look at the news flow driving the market this morning. We're seeing a strong setup in pre-market, with most names trading higher across the board. TSM is up around plus 6.19%, standing out as one of the strongest movers. However, looking at the news panel, we're not seeing any clear catalyst, suggesting the move is more driven by strength in semiconductors and continued momentum in the space. Apple is up around plus 2.3%. On the news side, we do see a clear positive catalyst with updates around upcoming iPhone models and product strategy changes supporting the move. Uber is up around plus 4.14%, with multiple positive headlines including integration with Amazon's Alexa helping drive the strength. United Health is up around plus 0.6%. Looking at the news, we're seeing a positive reaction tied to Medicare Advantage rate adjustments, supporting the stock and the broader healthcare space. Now looking at the broader market. Yesterday, markets moved higher, with the Nasdaq leading, while the S&P and Dow also closed in the green. The S&P is up around plus 2.6%, the Dow about plus 2.3%, and the Nasdaq around plus 3.5%. We're also seeing gold moving higher while oil is pulling back with USO trading lower. Names like IBM are also pushing higher. Another key area to watch is earnings. As mentioned earlier, this week is relatively quiet with no major reports driving the market, but we can still look at some names showing strong moves. A PLD is up around plus 14.3% over the past 5 days, showing strong momentum. Looking at the news panel, we do see a clear positive catalyst with updates around data center lease agreements, which are likely supporting the move. Now, let's move on to the movers. Today I want to focus on up volume filtered for liquid US names to see where we're getting strong volume coming in. We're seeing a number of names showing strong upside moves on elevated volume, which usually signals strong participation behind the move. For example, LKQ is up around plus 15.2%. standing out as one of the stronger names. Very and Axtai are also up over plus 14%, showing similar strength across multiple names. And we also have APLD here up around plus 11%, which we already looked at earlier. So this is a good example of a name showing up on the up volume scans, both price and volume supporting the move. From here, I like to take a closer look at volume in the screener. Here I've added the volume column. This shows the actual trading activity coming into each stock. For example, looking at CAR, we can see volume around 5.5 million, which is relatively elevated. This helps confirm that the move we're seeing is supported by real participation. So, when I combine this with the up volume scan, I'm not just looking at price, I'm also checking if volume is backing the move. That's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or sign up to our research, and don't forget to do your own research.